Day 4 of India Maritime Week 2025, and the momentum continues to grow. From innovation to sustainability, India's maritime future is sailing strong, and WizExpo.in is right here, capturing every moment. Delegates, leaders, and industry experts gather together to explore breakthrough ideas, green technologies, and new business horizons. Each booth and every discussion echoes one vision to make India a global maritime powerhouse. Stay tuned with visitexpo.in for exclusive coverage, interviews, and highlights straight from the event floor. Because when it's about India maritime journey, visitexpo.in brings you closer to the action. Stall 95 or Sodaxo. Okay, ma'am, this is Rashid, and please introduce yourself and tell us what are you showcasing here in the expo.
So I am Pralubdha. I manage business development for Sodexo. So Sodexo is a global catering and facility management firm. We are headquartered in Paris, and our India headquarters are in Mumbai. So if you come to our stall, we are exhibiting in stall number 95 in hall number 3 today in Maritime Expo, and we specialize in the catering services, facility management, housekeeping, and laundry services. We also do technical maintenance work on board the offshore units, which is rigs, accommodation barges, FPSOs, platforms. We also do facility management across the ports, dry docks, etc., etc. So we are, our biggest client is Adani. So we are present in a couple of their largest ports in India, which is Mundra, Dhamra, Krishnapatnam.
So I would like to ask some questions about this India Maritime Week. The first question is how helpful these exhibitions are to the people, to the masses.
It's very helpful because Sodexo is primarily known as a coupons company, because the brand value, the brand recall of Sodexo is generally companies relate us to the coupons business. But we are into hospitality industry where we take care of our employees day in and day out. So they, from a perspective of services, the entire end-to-end hospitality on board they're deep inside the seas, right? So they get to know that somebody's like an MNC is coming and serving them and giving a really good service to them when they are away from their homes. Serving them and giving a really good service to them when they are away from their homes.
That's right, ma'am. So what sort of message that should go to the audience through our platform from this talk?
The message that I want to know that want to give you that please do encourage you to visit our stall, and please do come, and we can always talk about the business partnerships that we can have in the future. And Sodexo is an incredible company. We focus on the safety aspects a lot, and we don't compromise on that, and consumer satisfaction is our utmost priority, and we would be happy to host you over here.
Hello and Jai Hind. My name is Riya Mishra and we are from Bhavans College, Andheri West. We are from NSS unit and we got invited here by the IMW, and we till now we have attended only one session and it was of quiz. It was very interesting. We got to know quite a lot of things about the marine industry, and we also met Captain, what was his name? Makran Sardesai, and talking to him was an honor. He guided us on how to join Merchant Navy and how they are empowering women, and that was amazing.
So Jai Hind, myself Shraddha Kandu, and the experience was fantastic. We enjoyed a lot and get to know very much information from this. And I would like to thank to the team and organizers who invited us and gave this wonderful opportunity to us. Thank you.
Thank you. Sir, please introduce yourself and tell us about India Maritime Week 2025.
Okay. My name is Suresh Rajani. I'm the owner of this stall 53 here, H&H Precision Private Limited, behind you. You can take a shot of that.
Right, sir.
And we manufacture the equipments. You can see material handling equipments which are used on naval ships and submarines. So we participate in this Maritime India Week, obviously, because a lot of our clients have got the our clients are the various shipyards. They are the ports and docks. So we supply them a lot of equipment, and that is why, since our clients are here, they requested us to put up a stall. So obviously, exhibitions are to basically do networking with the customers and get an opportunity to market your product and be in touch with the big customers at one place itself. So it's ultimately we are here mainly because it's to promote ourselves. It is like it should not be your out of sight, out of mind.
Right, sir. So,
I'm a very big fan of of Prime Minister Modi, not because of any other. The main reason is that he is for him India is first. Whether it's in any sphere, it is today he has given so much of you know policies, get up, push for making in India. Which main thing is make in India, which was lacking from 1947. It never had it never had so much of push by the government. Only after he has taken a 2014 that we have been able to show what we can make. If we would have started in 47, maybe we would have been ahead of China by now.
right.
So it will take time to catch up.
These initiatives like Make in India, what sort of push and boost will goes to the below economy?
Apart from the economy, most important thing is self-reliance. That is most important. That the moment you make in India, you are totally depending upon yourself. You don't have to depend on the foreign manufacturers to blackmail you in all types of situations which is happening today.
Right, sir. So, what sort of message that should go to the audience through our platform?
Well, the audience, if they are the part of the consumers, they should spread the message equally the way they can, in their own way. That we should know whatever we do is not just engineering. Anything that you do, it should always be with that buy local, make local,